Hey guys, what's up? I'm so excited for today's work. Yesterday, what I've done is I've removed the fairings from the bike. I did take the fairings out, and then I've started to wash them and give it a little bit of sand just to smooth it out. But I've realized that all the edges on the fairings, like all the edges on the fairings were a little bit rough. So what I've done is I did get an 80 grit sandpaper, and then I did smooth it out a lot, but it left a lot of scratches on the fairing, on the fiberglass. So today I will finish doing this sanding, and I will jump to maybe a 240, even a 400, just to give it a nice and smooth finish before the primer. But let's see, I will show you guys which parts I've done and what needs to be done still, and then we're gonna go from there. Sweet, let's go. Cool, so here we are. We have the wings done. See that I had to cut a lot here to take a lot of material on the edge and smooth it up, smooth it out a little bit. You can see that a lot is really rough, so I might have some bogging it to put here and get some sand, like a stronger sand, just to make it smooth again. This is the other wing as well, so we don't have any shiny spots anymore, but I still have a lot to prep on this one. So this here goes on the side of the bike. See some imperfections, some chippings here, but apart from that, it's already sanded. This guy here too. The seat is also ready to go. I have to kind of prep this area here. I was doing the belly pan, but what I've done yesterday was I did all the edges, but I have to fill up a little bit here, a few places, but I still have to finish the rest of it. So I've done all the edges, but not the main part. So I still have some glue left, all the leftovers of the stickers. And we have to do the front fairing. Look at what I found. In here we have a little, it is kind of breaking up. I don't know if it is something that I have to take care of, or if I just sand it and put some bogging on top just to make it smooth again. I don't know. Let's see, shall we? So we are ready to give them a clean with hot water and soap and get some primer on. Shall we? Hey guys, what's up? So finished preparing the main fairing of the bike, the front fairing, and I'm ready to primer. I'm ready to make this guy look good again. And today I've got a nice setup, a really professional setup, I might say. Outside is too windy, and I was struggling to get the primer properly on the pieces, so I came up with this nice solution, really professional solution here to prevent a little bit of the wind to come through. So yeah, it's pretty cool. I guess it's gonna do the job, and let's see. I'm excited though. I'm really like, it's my first paint job ever, and I want it to be perfect. Well, I know it's not gonna be perfect, but I will try my best. Yeah, there you go. I've applied one small coat just on the corners, so you can see here really wet in here, a little bit drier here. So just to see, just to review all the imperfections on the fairing, just for me to note where I have to bog afterwards, or if I will do some kind of treatment afterwards. See, like here is a little bit heavier. I can see now where I have to fix later. All the small imperfections are showing here, cracks all the way here. just to have an idea. Second coat will be similar. I'm just gonna go through all the edges again, and then third and fourth, which is gonna be technically first and two, full cover. Hey guys, thanks for watching. This is the final product of thanks for watching. This is the final step of my primer, so I'll show you. So what I've done here, I did 2 coats only on the lines and then 2 full coats on the body. It's fully covered, and now it's good that I can see clearly where I have to work. It's still wet, I've just finished the second coat, but you can see all the imperfections, chipping, everything here that I have to work and bog and sand again, but it's a good base for me to work and get everything nice and smooth. But you can see that it's looking really, really good. I was trying to leave the inside black, but I forgot to mask. There you go, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and yeah, next time I'm gonna come here with some bugging, filler, sanding, and more primer. Sweet!